If you're over 50 and trying to lose belly fat, but fast workouts hurt your knees or hips, this gentle Tai Chi walking method might be exactly what your body needs. In just 15 minutes, you'll activate your metabolism, improve balance, and burn calories, all with slow, joint-friendly movement. Let's begin. Add arm movement. Now that your walking rhythm feels comfortable, let's gently add arm movement. Keep your steps slow and steady. As your left foot steps forward, allow your right arm to move forward naturally. Good. Now, when your right foot steps forward, let your left arm swing forward, just like natural walking. Left foot, right arm forward, right foot, left arm forward. There is no need to force the movement. Let the arms swing lightly and naturally from the shoulders. Keep your elbows relaxed and your hands soft. Your shoulders should still feel loose and comfortable. This simple arm swing may seem small, but it makes a big difference. When the arms move together with the legs, more muscles begin working throughout the body. Your shoulders, upper back, chest, and core all become gently involved in the movement. And when more muscles are active, your body begins to burn more calories. Continue walking with this natural arm swing for about 2 minutes. Step, swing, step, swing, smooth, relaxed, and balanced. This full body coordination is one of the reasons Tai Chi walking is such an effective and joint-friendly exercise for people over 50. Metabolic walking now. Keep the same slow and steady pace. There is no need to move faster. Just continue the rhythm you've already found. Step forward, shift your weight, then step again. Your arms continue to swing gently. Your shoulders stay relaxed, and your breathing remains natural. At this stage, your body is now working in a steady, comfortable rhythm. This type of consistent movement is very helpful for the body's metabolism. Instead of short bursts of intense effort, Tai Chi walking encourages your muscles to stay active for a longer time. That steady activity helps your body use energy more efficiently. For many people over 50, this approach works especially well. High-impact workouts can sometimes place too much pressure on the knees, hips, or lower back. But slow, controlled walking keeps the joints safe while still allowing the muscles to work. Your hips, thighs, and glutes continue to support each step. And because these are large muscle groups, they help the body gradually increase energy use. Continue this smooth walking flow for about 2 minutes. Step, shift, step, shift. Calm, controlled movement that supports both joint health and healthy metabolism. Core awareness now. As you continue walking, bring your attention back to your core. Take a slow step forward. As your heel touches the ground, gently engage your abdomen again. Not tight, not forced, just a light awareness that the muscles around your belly are helping support your movement. Each step creates a small moment of stability. Step, light core engagement. Shift, stay tall. Think about your posture. Imagine a gentle line lifting the top of your head upward. Your spine stays tall and aligned, but your body still feels relaxed and comfortable. Keep your shoulders soft and your chest open. Now, check your breathing. Let it stay slow and natural. No holding your breath. Just a calm rhythm that matches your steps. Continue walking smoothly. Step, shift, step, shift. With every step, the core quietly helps stabilize the body. This support reduces unnecessary pressure on the lower back and helps your movements feel more balanced. Continue this relaxed walking pattern for about 2 minutes. Tall posture, relaxed breathing, smooth, steady steps. Excellent work. Your body is moving exactly the way it should. Fat burning zone. Now, your body is fully warmed up. Your muscles are active. Your breathing is steady. And your movement feels smoother than when we started. This is the stage where gentle fat burning begins. When your body moves in a calm, steady rhythm for several minutes, it starts using stored energy more efficiently. And the best part is that you are doing this without placing heavy stress on your joints. So, keep the same relaxed pace. Step forward, shift your weight, step again, shift. Good. Let your arms swing naturally beside your body. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your posture tall. Feel the rhythm of your movement. Step, shift, step, shift. At this stage, your legs are doing consistent work. Your hips, thighs, and glutes continue to support every step. These muscles help your body gradually increase energy use while still feeling comfortable and controlled. Stay focused on smooth, quiet steps. No rushing, just calm, steady movement. Continue walking like this for about 2 minutes. You are doing exactly what your body needs. Safe, steady movement that supports strength, balance, and healthy fat burning over time. Slight rhythm, increase. Now, let your steps begin to connect a little more smoothly. You don't need to walk faster. Instead, simply allow less pause between each step. Take a step forward, and instead of stopping for a moment, let the next step follow gently behind it. Step, step, step. Good. The movement now begins to feel more continuous and flowing. Your body is still moving slowly, but the rhythm becomes smoother. Keep your posture tall and your shoulders relaxed. Let your arms continue their natural swing. As your left foot steps forward, your right arm moves forward. Then the pattern switches. Right foot, left arm. Everything stays soft and natural. Focus on the feeling of gliding forward. Your feet touch the ground quietly. Heel first, then the rest of the foot rolls down. Step, step, step. This smoother rhythm keeps your muscles active while maintaining the gentle nature of the exercise. Continue this connected walking pattern for about 2 minutes. Relax your breathing. Keep your movements calm. Smooth steps, steady rhythm, and controlled movement from head to toe. Glute activation. Now, as you continue walking, bring a little attention to your back leg. Take a slow step forward. When your front foot touches the ground and your weight begins to move forward, gently push off from the back leg. Not a strong push, just a soft, controlled push from the foot behind you. Good. That small action activates the glute muscles, the strong muscles in the back of your hips. Take another step. Front foot lands. Shift your weight, then gently push from the back leg again. Excellent. The glutes are some of the largest and strongest muscles in the body. When they become active during walking, your body naturally uses more energy. That means your movement becomes more effective without needing to move faster. These muscles also play an important role in supporting the hips and knees. Strong glutes help stabilize the pelvis, which reduces unnecessary pressure on the knee joints. So keep the motion smooth and controlled. Step, shift, gentle push from the back leg. Continue this walking pattern for about 2 minutes. Feel the strength in your hips and the smooth support in every step. Balance training. Now, take a moment to notice how your body feels. Continue walking slowly and smoothly. Step forward, shift your weight, then step again. At this point in the session, many people begin to feel more stable and confident with each step. That's because Tai Chi, walking naturally, trains your balance. Every slow step gives your body time to adjust. Your feet feel the ground. Your legs stabilize the movement. And your core helps keep your posture upright. When you move slowly like this, the small muscles around your ankles, knees, and hips become more active. These stabilizing muscles play an important role in helping you stay steady. Over time, practicing this type of walking can greatly improve coordination and body awareness. And that's one of the biggest benefits of Tai Chi walking for people over 50. Better balance means more confidence in daily movement. Whether you're walking outside, climbing stairs, or simply moving around the house. It's also one of the most effective ways to reduce the risk of falls later in life. So continue your calm, steady steps for about 90 seconds. Step, shift, step, shift. Smooth movement, steady balance, and relaxed breathing. Strong finish now. Keep the gentle flow going. Your movement should feel smooth and natural by now. Continue taking slow, steady steps. Step forward, shift your weight, then let the next step follow easily. Keep your breathing relaxed. Inhale softly and exhale slowly as you move. There is no need to rush this final part. Just stay with the rhythm your body has already found. Your legs are moving smoothly, your arms are swinging naturally, and your core is quietly supporting your posture. Everything is beginning to work together in harmony. Notice how balanced your body feels now. Your steps are quieter, your posture feels taller, and your movements are more controlled. This is one of the beautiful things about Tai Chi walking. The longer you move slowly and consistently, the more your body relaxes into the rhythm. Continue focusing on soft, controlled steps. Heel touches first, then the rest of the foot rolls down gently. Step, step, step. Stay calm and steady for about 90 seconds. You are very close to the end of the session, so keep this smooth, relaxed flow going. Great job finishing today's Tai Chi walking session. Your body just experienced something very powerful. Slow, controlled movement that strengthens muscles, supports joint health, and helps your body burn energy in a gentle way. For many people over 50, this type of movement is one of the safest ways to improve balance, mobility, and overall fitness. If this session helped you feel more relaxed and energized, consider practicing it a few times each week. Your body will gradually become stronger, more balanced, and more comfortable with everyday movement. And if you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more gentle exercises designed especially for adults over 50. Thank you for walking with me today. Take care of your body, move slowly, and I'll see you in the next session.